Hi everyone, it's Molly. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here with me. I am going to do a recreation of a piece tonight. So a while back I did a long 3-panel piece and I used a bronze, a copper, and a gold with a black base with only those colors in the middle and a pop of red. And it created this gorgeous piece. It sold, but I had someone ask me to recreate it. And I'm not sure if you know, but in fluid art, it can be very hard to try to recreate something. So a lot of times you can kind of get a feel, but you can't really get the same piece. So I'm gonna try to get as close as I can tonight. Maybe just a little larger pop of red in this one, but I'm gonna try to recreate this piece. So let's see if it works out. Let's paint. All right, hello everyone. Okay, this is going to be a big feat here. So it's always difficult to try to recreate something as close as I can, but the original piece sold and someone wanted something similar. So I did this a while back. I'm going black here, black here, black here. And then in the other part of the painting, I'm doing so I call it bronze, even though technically it's more of like a copper color, but on my bottle it says bronze. Creative Inspiration says very weird names for their colors. This is probably more of the bronze, but it's copper, so it's gonna go over here. And then I have a gold for this bottom piece. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm using as my pop of color red, like I did in the last one, and then silver, white, and black. So it's gonna be really simple. So I already painted my sides to this one, and I'm just gonna get going. The last one came out so beautiful. I'm really nervous to see if I can get anything close this time. Obviously, it'll never look exactly like it, but I can normally get pretty close. Okay, I'm gonna go with my, oh, these metallic colors are gorgeous. This one seems a little bit thin. I hope it's gonna be okay. The gold. All right, let me blow these out. I feel like that was a sign that I need to go to the gym a little more often because my arms are tired. So here we go. I am going to get my sides covered. Okay, so I wanted to make sure that I got my sides pretty good because this metallic does not give great coverage, and I have already noticed something I did different. In the other video, I left the space for the colors here and I didn't do that this time. So, I don't know. I'm gonna start with a little bit of gold on the sections that don't have gold, and I'm gonna try to be light-handed here. Okay, already that didn't work. So I'm gonna do just a little bit of gold on both of these. Now I'm gonna come in with the colors that I didn't have on this side. There we go. And then the colors here. Just a little bit. Okay. Now I'm gonna come in with silver. Oh, I hope these turn out well. Fingers crossed, everybody. Gonna do the black. I really wanted my silver, actually. Oh, I feel like there's too much paint already. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna do just a tiny little bit of white. Then I'm gonna do, I think, the silver again, and then I'll do my red. I don't know, I'm just winging it at this point. I've already forgotten, and I watched the video like just a minute ago. I can't even imagine like everyone at home trying to like recreate something that they're watching on a video. I like wrote it all down, and then I get to do it, and then it's totally different. All right, here we go. Now the last time I had wished I had a little more red, so I'm gonna do a pretty good pop of red in here. Ooh, I hope this works. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna blow this out. Let me pop the air bubbles first. Okay, the last time, maybe I'll just do I don't know, it's got a pretty good amount to flow. I think I'm gonna leave it. I'm not gonna pour any extra base on there. All right, let me blow this out. It's gonna be 10 years from now. I'm still gonna be doing videos. I'm gonna be using my same blow dryer, and I'm still not gonna know which way turns it off or turns it higher. Okay, all right, so I like all of that. This here's got me a little iffy. This is stunning. Maybe just a little bit of that off the side. So I said, oh, I think I have enough base on there, and I should have put more base, just a little bit more base, because see, like that little piece right there, that is from not having enough base to glide. I can blow it with my mouth, and I will. Gorgeous. And again, my red just got just a tiny bit lost right there, but I don't want to add it again. So I think I'm gonna call this a day. Let me show you. So this one definitely has more red than the last one, but I do think that I gave it justice. That's my favorite part, of course, right there. So I do really like it. I do wish I would have left that center with a little bit of paint, because I feel like a little bit, maybe too much black got drugged down through there. But like I say, I'm going to see how it dries because it may dry just perfect. When these paints are wet, sometimes they just don't show up the same, especially metallics. So I'm going to let this dry and I will show you the dried result. Absolutely gorgeous. The finish on the metallic on this canvas is just beautiful. And there's, again, those little striations in there that really make it look like a metallic. It's just stunning. I love it. Okay, let me start over on this side. So I'm going to show you the details. I'll try to move slow. Love it. So that's that one. The red actually showed up this time and created like this beautiful dark red color mixed with the black. The metallic went a little bit further up. This one definitely had more color in it, which I liked. But I think that it gives the essence of the other one. So you can let me know, trying to recreate the feel of a piece. It can be difficult to do sometimes, but I really like this one. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Happy painting. Bye.